Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Ibraheem bin Ahmed Shifaz, and today we are going to make an egg float. What we will need for the experiment is 3 eggs, a cup of salt, 3 glasses, and a jug of water. First, fill the glasses with water. Make sure it's the same amount in each one. Now add 4 teaspoons of salt to 2 of the glasses. Keep stirring until it's completely dissolved. Now I am going to put an egg to the glass that I didn't put any salt in it. You will see that it immediately sinks to the bottom. Now I am going to put an egg into one of the salt water glasses. What do you think will happen to the egg? It rises to the top. Put an egg into the third glass like the second glass, the egg floats. Now I am going to add some more clean water into this glass. What do you think will happen? The egg starts to drop. This is because salt water is denser than ordinary tap water. The denser the liquid is, it's easier for the object to float inside it. Why not you all do this trick to amaze yourselves and have some fun? Jazakallah khairan.